Shalom, welcome back to Real Talk Radio. And I'm coming back with a positive message for the day. And when I give the positive message, I will also explain to you what it means to me and how I apply it to my life. And then you could take it and apply it to you, how you feel, apply it to your life, how you feel, break it down into, what it means to you. So here it is. If you wait until you find the meaning of life, will there be enough life left to live meaningfully? I'll say it one more time. If you wait until you find the meaning of life, will there be enough life left to live meaningfully? And so basically what that means is, if you're wasting time just living life, going through unnecessary problems, unnecessary things, accepting unnecessary people in your life, allowing them to be around you, then when you finally figure it out, who you really are, what you're really about, what kind of friends you want to have, what kind of people you want to be associated with, will there be enough life left in you to live? Will it be too late? Will you be able to still love? Will you be able to still forgive? Will you be able to still live abundantly, be happy, treat people how you want to be treated? Think about it. If you wait until you find the meaning of life, will there be enough life left to live meaningfully? Let that sink in, because that's so true. If you wait to find the meaning, in your life, because you're caught up in all the wrong things, all the wrong people, by the time you figure all of this out, the life is going to be sucked up at you. You're not going to be able to see clearly, to be able to live the kind of life you want to live, because you just put so much into others. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with giving, there's nothing wrong with being loving, there's nothing wrong with loving someone more than you love yourself. Because me as a man, I've heard Steve Harvey, I've heard many of the African American leaders, that we have, in the African American community, as far as, TV hosts and big name people who hold, a little power, who word means something. So, to love someone more than you love yourself is something so special, and shows growth, especially in a man, so be able to leave a legacy behind, for your kids, your grandkids, great grandkids, and et cetera, a generation of hard work and dedication and standards. So please feel free to call in, share with me how you feel. Feel free to ask questions. Feel free to ask for advice. You can also email me at monroe.raphael@yahoo.com. If I don't email you back, please forgive me. Shalom, and peace be upon you.